in the name of dust suppression, the New Delhi Municipal Corporation, Delhi government, and all the municipal corporations of Delhi are spending crores of rupees. On the Lodi road itself, 34 lakh rupees are spent in the distance of 500 meters. In 500 meters, there are 30 poles set up, and on each pole there are nozzles which will release mist in the air to suppress the dust in the air. Now the problem is that when we are reaching here, right now it's 6:30. You can see the timing is 6:30 and not a single pole is working. Nozzles are not working. Mist sprayer is not in the air. Dust suppression is nothing is there. Nothing is happening in this area. And we are surprised to see, even though 34 lakh rupees are spent by the government, why and how it is not working. It is the responsibility of the government to monitor these kind of projects. And another project which is started at the Afrik and Shantipat, 1.9 crore rupees by the New Delhi Municipal Corporation. We also have to see the future of that project. Secondly, 15 crore rupees are allotted by New Delhi Municipal Corporation in Connaught Place and Khan Market. So approximately 30 crore rupees are being spent in the name of dust suppression in different parts of Delhi. And what is the result of this one? Now I would like to show you how this system is working. Even though 34 lakh rupees are spent by New Delhi Municipal Corporation, this is the pole you can see, and it is not working. Now it's 6:30 and the pole you can see there are nozzles and it is not working right now. So who is responsible? Who will take responsibility? What about the accountability? And what about the money which is spent by the people? This is the public money coming from the pocket of the people through their tax. And if we are not responsible, the government is not taking responsibility, the contractor is not responsible for their work. So this is wastage of money, and this kind of projects should be stopped immediately. So this is my request. Whenever this kind of projects are coming, this is my humble appeal to Delhi government and municipal corporations of Delhi. Please, please give more and more emphasis on human labor rather than this kind of technologies. We can't predict whether this kind of technologies will work or not work. So if it stops working, all of our money goes waste. So please take into consideration the human labor. Give top priority to human labor as far as environmental pollution, air pollution, dust suppression, these kind of issues are concerned. Thank you very much.